Here's a wee quick tutorial for the Circle of Life by the Lion King, or from the Lion King, should I say. The strum pattern is down, 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 up. The chords are G, G/B, C, E minor, E7, D, A minor, and F major 7. You don't have to use that strum pattern, by the way, or play that F. You can play a bar chord or strum any way you want. The song has a pre-chorus, a chorus, and then we'll restart, but that's when the harmony kicks in. That's why the song lasts so long. It's quite short wording, but when all the harmonies is playing in the background, that's why it lasts so long. So I'll play it through, call out the chords and the words, and then finish off, and hopefully that helps you out. So here we go. So it's down, 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 up, down, down, down. From the G, we arrived on the A minor, and D stepped into the G. There's E minor, then can A minor, more to F, then can never be D, the G. There's not too much to take A minor, more to D, that can never be G. But the E minor's rolling high through the A minor side fire sky. It's rated F on the endless D. It's a circle of G. One there, and it moves us all. Maybe on to C, certainly. The despair and sea, through faith and deed, till we find our G, D/B, D7, and the path on A minor to the F. It's a circle, it's a circle of life. Then it goes to start the harmony, or the humming, whatever. Oh, G to an A minor, to a D, to the D, E minor, A minor, F to D. It's a circle of G, and it moves the F through to the C, through faith and deed, till we find our D/B, to the E7 and the A minor, to the F. It's a circle, the G to the D. It's a circle of life. Just finished on a C and a G there. Plenty of practice on that. Rewind the video back and forth. Sorry if the Irish accent kicks in too much and you struggle to understand. Good luck, and hopefully this helps you out. And take care. All the best. Bye bye.